Today we are going to replace the cabin filter from this Suburban 2017, but it's going to be almost similar for different models out there. If it's 17, 16 or 20, I believe it's the same thing. These two things right here that you can move right here and push it right back. You see how easy is it? Hit it and then it will fall like that. Then you see that there is a couple of screws. There is one here, one right here, one here, one here, and one up here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws that you need to remove. You're gonna need this tip right here to remove the screws. This you can do it by yourself. You could save about $80 to $100 to do it by yourself. Once you have all the screws out, pull this little piece out. Basically, this is the air filter. There is two things, one up here and one up here, that you're just gonna have to pull. Actually, instead of pushing, you're gonna have to pull out. It's a little bit tight, but it's okay because it's supposed to be a little tight. Seems like they never replaced it before. It looks like from the cover, you see, it's very dirty. Oh my goodness, looks like it's very dirty. Oh my goodness. And you grab it from here, anywhere, and you pull that right out. Wow, look at that thing right there, completely nasty. Oh God. My goodness, you see the difference? Oh my goodness. Then stick the new one right in there. Wherever it came from, stick the new one right in there. Once you have it in, grab the piece that came out from there. So that's pretty much it. If you like this kind of content, please subscribe to my channel. If you have any question, please let me know. I will try to answer it as soon as I can. Thank you very much for subscribing to my channel. Share the video, comment, let me know what you think about it. Thank you. I'll see you next time.